Article 2.01, the Texas Code of Criminal Procedure, sets the standard for district attorneys who practice in the area of prosecution, and basically outlines for us the duties and responsibilities of a prosecutor. Simply put, the prosecutor's role is to seek that justice be done, not to secure a conviction. Unfortunately, in too many instances, what happens is that the gamesmanship of a trial leads to cutting corners, and sometimes those corners can be interpreted as prosecutorial misconduct. Depending on the severity of the misconduct and the impact on the defendant and the impact on a jury verdict, will determine whether or not such prosecutorial misconduct is so egregious as to, for instance, require a reversal. The case of Michael Morton is a prime example of justice gone awry. Michael Morton was convicted of the brutal murder of his wife, and was given 24 years, or stayed in the penitentiary for 24 years before he ended up being exonerated as a result of a determination by investigators, by lawyers, and ultimately by the court system, that the prosecutor in the case had withheld favorable exculpatory testimony, to include DNA that was acquired at the scene that did not match Michael Morton's DNA. The prosecutor was so intent on convicting a person that he believed was in fact the murderer of Michael Morton's beloved wife, that he discounted, withheld, secreted from the defense this very favorable, almost dynamic and crucial piece of evidence from the defense. Additionally, Michael Morton's young son described a man with a mustache beating mommy and breaking the bed. Michael Morton was not given the benefit of this particular piece of interview taken by the police. It was suppressed, and he was not given the opportunity to use this in his own defense. As a result, the jury verdict came back and convicted this innocent man, a prime example of prosecutorial misconduct. Thankfully, the culprit in this situation, the district attorney, who later became a state judge, not only was chastised, but also was held in contempt, and is no longer a judge in Williamson County. This is simply a just textbook example of prosecutorial misconduct and justice gone awry. Too many examples comparable to Michael Morton occur in various jurisdictions in this country.